Hi everybody, my name is Juanpi.
And my name is Gavin, the co-host of the live. Today we're going to be talking to you about our shaving line. So we have products for basically every aspect of shaving.
We're going to go into a bit more detail for every product and every step of the
So
process.
the shaving line is for anyone who shaves, for all genders.
Any area of the body, any need in the shaving area. We have the pre-shaving part, which prepares the skin and the beard. That includes the cleanser and the oil. Once you proceed to the shaving step, the important thing is to focus on what type of hair you have. So we have shaving creams for fine hair, shaving creams for coarse hair, and general shaving cream for all, as you said, that has a great peppery feel. Once you proceed to the next step, which is the aftershave step, the focus is on the skin. You will have people that have dry skin, like me, where the focus and the issues are razor burns, irritation, scaliness, dry skin, as we mentioned. You have people that have oily skin whose concern tends to be bumps and acne and oiliness. And you have people that might have combination skin, which might, depending on the day, have one concern or the other.
Our first product in the process of shaving is our PreShave Soft Scrub. So again, this is our 1635.
Okay. This pre-shave scrub is a cleanser for your face. It actually can be used by anybody if you shave or not. The characteristics of this product, it is pH adjusted. Of course, it's validated hypoallergenic. It has monolaurin, virgin coconut oil. So it offers all kinds of goodness that are typical from our products. In terms of the texture of this product, it's a very creamy product. It has a very soft scrub made out of coffee grounds.
And what color is it?
Given that it has ingredients like green tea and coffee and yerba mate, which is a great antioxidant, it has a slightly brownish color. And it smells awesome because of the coffee grounds. Summarizing, this is a great scrub to cleanse your face, even if you're not shaving that day. Like, for example, today for me.
You need to shave.
I do need to shave. Okay.
So step 2 is optional. It's the PreShave Barber Oil. So this is when you have a very precise beard with very distinguished lines and you want it to be greased and stylish.
Okay. Yeah. This oil helps very much to soften your beard and to warm up your face as a preparation for your shaving. It mimics the traditional barber oils that you would get if you go to a barber shop for a shave. And it is very useful for beards that are very hard and difficult to tame.
And this is what the bottle actually looks like right here. This is allergen free, of course, like all our products. I think you can tell by the VH 109. There are 109 allergens, if I'm correct, not in the formulation. So VH minus 109, you can find it right over here. And it basically tells you how many allergens are not inside the product. So in this case, it's 109. It's completely allergen free. If it's already like VH 100, then you can see it probably in the ingredients right here. Pop, go.
No, it's so cute. If you speak to any expert in shaving, they will all say the same thing. The two key aspects to a good shave are hydration
and
warmth in the beard. That helps soften the skin and the hair and make it easier to shave. Of course, having a very good shaver also is very important.
Locks in moisture and provides some warmth. Our third product is the shave cream.
Very good. So
thank goodness.
You've cleaned your face, you've applied your oil, so now you have a warm, moisturized, pliable skin and beard, and now you need to decide what shaving cream you're going to use.
This is to show our 3 shaving cream products. So number 1, 2, and 3. Unfortunately, it doesn't go up to 210, but that's a problem we'll look at later.
Okay.
Number 1 is for fine beards. It's the opposite of coarse beards, which we're going to talk about later in our number 2. Very fine and thin. This includes monolaurin and VCO. They're awesome, like crazy. They're awesome. Easy to spread, and it's very lightweight.
The next product in our line is our shaving cream number 2. This shaving cream for people that have very coarse hair in their beard. This means either very thick hair or very hair that is very hard or rough. The shaving cream has been designed to provide a very firm, rich grip on the hair.
Our last shaving cream in our line, which is number 3. So this is for all beard types. It's very smooth and, well, it's basically for all beards. Thick, coarse, fine, and basically all.
This is actually my favorite shaving cream of the 3, because one aspect that the shaving cream number 3 has is it has a capsicum, so it creates a brisk peppery feel that I love when I shave, and it leaves my skin very tingly and feeling very fresh. So this is my favorite shaving cream, and I use it constantly.
The skin, if I'm correct.
For the last step in the process, which is the aftershave, we have 3 products. People that have oily skin will have concerns about bumps or acne, and will tend to use a toner. Here, this is the product. A toner will help with the sterilization of cuts and making sure that the pores don't get infected. And it's the most typical old school way of doing an aftershave, which people used to use fragrances and perfumes before, or colognes, similar action, but without all of the allergens that are traditional fragrances and colognes have. No? The next option for people that have very dry skin, and this is a more modern take on shaving, is to have an aftershave salve or moisturizer. This product is, as the name implies, is a moisturizer. It is great to keep your skin hydrated. It also provides disinfecting qualities, just in case you have any kind of cuts. It does have virgin coconut oil, monolaurin. Other things that this product has is retinol or anti-aging properties. To be honest, it's my favorite moisturizer. This is the product that I use. It's awesome. I prefer it as it's my moisturizer of choice. I recommend it to anybody that wants a very creamy, thick moisturizer. People that have dry skin like me will really appreciate it, even if they don't shave. Obviously, like most of our moisturizers, it does have virgin coconut oil. The last product in our shaving line, it's an aftershave. It's a gel.
Right there.
The action is very similar to that of the toner, but the texture is that of a gel. It does provide moisturizing benefits, not as much obviously as the moisturizer, but better than the toner, and it does provide disinfecting benefits, and it has the retinol for anti-aging. So it is a bit of a mixture of the two. It's good for all skin types, and at the end of the day, people tend to prefer one type of aftershave over the other, based on cultural preferences, customs, habits, etc.
That's our shaving cream line, our 1635 line. So let's walk you through the steps one more time. So first we have the pre-shave soft scrub right here. This is to apply before you actually start to shave, to make your skin and hair perfect and clean your face. Yes. So the second is the PreShave Barber Oil.
It moisturizes and provides warmth to the skin and the beard, preparing it for shaving. The next step in the process is where you have to choose what type of shaving cream you want to use. Depending on your hair, depending on your preferences, you will choose 1, 2, or 3. And the last step of the process is the aftershave options. You can choose a toner, you can choose a gel, you can choose a moisturizer. They're all great options. Depends what you prefer, depends what your concerns are. If you ask me, I prefer both the gel, because I like the feeling of freshness that the gel provides, but I also apply the afterwards the moisturizer as a moisturizer.
Completely allergen free. So if you see here again, VH109, it tells you how many allergens are not in the product. So right now, all of these are 109 over 109. So that means all of the allergens are not in this product.
If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to put them in our comment section. We will get back to you and trying to help you with any of those questions.
I hope you found that helpful, and well, goodbye.
Yeah. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you're interested in our products, you can always buy them in vmvhypoallergenics.com or vmvhypoallergenics.ph.
Oh, and one more thing, for YouTube, also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. So, goodbye!
Goodbye!
Bye.